In this video, we can talk about top 5 Pixelhunter alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel, where we explore the best tools and software to fuel your creativity. Today, we've got an exciting lineup for you as we dive into the alternatives to Pixelhunter, a powerful photo and video editing platform that has served us well. However, we understand that exploring new horizons is essential, and that's why we've handpicked top 5 alternatives to Pixelhunter, which are Hotpot, Fotor, Hitpaw, Befunky, and Lunapic. Let's dive in and discover the perfect fit for your creative endeavors. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first alternative is Hotpot. Hotpot is a versatile online photo editing tool that caters to both beginners and seasoned photographers. It offers features like background remover, photo upscaler, art generator, and picture restore. Hotpot stands out with its integrated social media sharing feature, enabling you to showcase your edited masterpieces on popular platforms seamlessly. And one of the standout features of Hotpot is its AI-powered Smart Enhance tool that can automatically analyze and optimize images. Next up, we have Fotor. Fotor is a flexible photo editing tool that comes with a wide range of editing tools, filters, and effects, and conveniently helps you to create captivating visuals. It offers excellent features like batch photo editor, PNG maker, and face editor. Fotor's batch processing saves valuable time by allowing users to apply edits to multiple images simultaneously. However, one of its standout features is its beauty retouching feature, which can effortlessly enhance portraits, smoothen skin tones, and achieve professional quality results in their photos. Third on our list is Hitpaw. Hitpaw is an innovative video and photo editing software designed to cater to content creators and social media enthusiasts. It offers features like AI photo enhancer, image object remover, and batch processing. Its easy-to-use tools help users add flavor to their videos and images effortlessly. Hitpaw's green screen functionality is one of its standout features, which allows you to replace backgrounds in videos easily. Moving on, we have Befunky. Befunky is a fun and creative graphic design platform, perfect for bringing out artistic expression without the need for advanced editing skills. It offers features like text editor, photo enhancer, and AI photo transformation. The Collage Maker tool lets users combine multiple images into stunning collages, ideal for sharing memories or creating eye-catching social media posts. Befunky's designer toolset is one of the most standout features that provides a diverse array of creative elements, such as stickers, textures, and frames. Last but certainly not least, we have Lunapic. Lunapic is an imaginative online photo editing tool known for its versatility and artistic filters. It offers key features like video editing, auto-crop image, and object removal. Lunapic supports animations, allowing users to create mesmerizing GIF from their images, adding an extra layer of dynamism to their visual content. Lunapic's collection of artifacts stands out, offering various artistic styles to evoke emotions and create visually captivating masterpieces. Compared to Pixelhunter, Hotpot offers a simple and user-friendly interface, making it an excellent alternative for beginners and casual photo editors. Fotor's wide array of editing tools and the ability to process multiple images simultaneously through batch processing makes it a strong alternative to Pixelhunter. Hitpaw focuses on specialized video editing, appealing to content creators and social media enthusiasts seeking to add flair to their videos. Befunky's strength lies in its creative graphic design platform, attracting artists and designers looking to express their creativity. And Lunapic distinguishes itself with its artistic filters and support for animations, offering a unique and expressive editing experience. Amongst the 5 alternatives mentioned above, we would Fotor as the best alternative to Pixelhunter. With a wide array of editing tools and the time-saving batch processing feature, Fotor streamlines the editing workflow. Its beauty retouching capability further distinguishes it, allowing users to effortlessly enhance portraits and achieve professional quality results. For users focused on enhancing photos with ease, Fotor stands out as the top choice. There you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed exploring these fantastic alternatives to Pixelhunter. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.